Javier here for Hum of the Earth. I'm in the Tapichalaca Reserve in the Yacuri National Park in southern Ecuador. Specifically the bird sanctuary of the Casa Simpson. This is in the northeastern part of the park. Kinda ended up coming here by accident. Last night I was planning to make it to Valley du Noid, but I had some bicycle problems and they ended up taking me in. This is a cloud forest. As you can see, it's pretty misty. I think this is how it is most of the time. This area specifically, this sanctuary, is the exclusive home to a rare bird species, the Jokotoko antpitta. I actually just showed a picture of it on the little sign. So figured since I was here I would take a little hike and see what we can see, because there are a lot more bird species than that one here. As well as rare mammals and flora. But I think I'll have to keep quiet now because human voices can scare the birds away. Biggest birds I've seen so far. I'm back at the Casa Simpson Lodge, where they make it very easy to birdwatch. In fact, sometimes you gotta be careful to not be hit by a bird. Mostly hummingbirds here because of the feeders. But there are some different kinds that I've noticed here. So I hope you guys enjoyed that look at the Tapichalaca Reserve in the Yacuri National Park in southern Ecuador. I was in Ecuador for maybe a month or so, bicycling through the country. So if you'd like to see some more videos of Ecuador, you can check that out on my YouTube channel by clicking on the channel, clicking the search button, or selecting the Ecuador playlist. I was in Ecuador as part of my first ever bicycle tour going from Canada to Argentina. If you'd like to see everywhere that I went and everything that I did on my tour, I have an interactive map of my trip over on my website, followthehumoftheearth.com, where you can click on the different places that I've been and see the blog posts and videos that I've made of those places. And if you'd like to follow my continuing adventures, you can do so by subscribing to my YouTube channel by clicking on the red button below the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good one.